Habakan tho ahlor kara jong ka sorkar benpen kan riak no ikinongsyong di madan nakathan kendailan u nongelam ka BJP bat menteri sorkar u ba AL hek ula banjur babaro kidon yakahok ban im bat ban kamai kaji baro kidon yakahok ban im ki hak ban tip ru yakanong rim ong u ba hek habakren syakilar pathai kubor habakan taj ban keren syu halor kanikaman u menteri ula ong menta kanika kam keladon hapok ke yeng kashari ngan amla banong AA Shapi Henry Barok kidon yakahok ban im ai ba ke yeng kashari kan shim yakarai bat hadien kata ngin saya keren ula benram haba keli hatu ka rukom trekam ke ba ula shim kum UMLA ka penthor umkra ban penbet ya ka jing e joginong di madan ha golfling onla ban le kumju da ka sorkar hakathain kendailan uba hek ula ong baharingkat ke dorbash nong kila seiso hakaban penkan ria ekinong di madan ha golfling syaka jaka syong ka bomdan kam jingsio kata da ka bapenyo eki da ka jaka ka babiang bakin la ban penya eki kam khayi pateng bat kamai kaji kani ka sin jam kala pelong ru ya uba AL hek pa un kala long UMLA ban ningkong e ha ka jela uban te ya ka yo na ka benta kinong syong di madan hapo ka constituency jong u Baru kisnem ki balalit no kata na du bangadang puli ha kerdan primary school ngalayo iye kini ki nongsyong di madan harut surok ki bapenya iki kam kamai jakpo jongki ha kathan golfling anda ngalayo la ngilate ya kayo nakabenta kinong di madan lada ngam bakla ngadai na pedeng ki baningkong e na baru kiriusan perthei ubalashna ya kayo nakabenta kinongsyong madan kabam dan kam bansiu kiladan arp prangot ki basyong ha kabasdang ngilapan kan ria eki om ha ki jaka ki bakum ni kumtai Henry ha ka jaka ka bahe ong menteri la usngo kumen ne em ya kasin jam balashim da sorkar ban penbet ya kapang kabaya de ba kinongsyong de madan uba hek ula ong ngam ong bakasin jam ka sorkar ka de ka babakla Henry ban ai kalat kamai kaji syabaro kinong de madan ha ki jaka sor ki bahap hapo municipal ha kabaya de bakajing penslam ban pendap ya ka project pen itenat ha kathan pulo uba hek ula ong bakani ka project kadang ya syakman ulak do ya kajing penslam halur kita ka jingbon kam jeng kitanan bakajing pentre kam jeng ki kontraktor ya ka project
I'm telling you that is very clear everybody has a right to live. Okay, but if just because that everybody has the right to live, you have to know also their positions. Okay, now the government, the matter now it is lying in the court. I will not be able to tell you anything since the matter is in the court, but everybody has a right to live. So that matter now is in the court. No, why should I tell this? Let the court take decision only. After that, we will talk. See, we at the golfing area is near the golf club. It is in the marketplace of the golfing area. Is one of the beautiful locality in Shillong. It is close to the 18 international golf course. 18 holes of international golf course. So we have decided with Shillong, we said that how to get them to reallocate them. Somewhere we'll be getting them better place. All these years, right from when I was maybe in primary school, I saw these people, street vendors, that are selling their livelihood in the streets of golfing area. So when we got an opportunity, we have built the hawkers market. I think so, if I am not wrong also, I'm a first among all the politicians who has built the hawkers market, which is given free of cost to every hawkers, individual hawkers, where they have been having 28 of them at the beginning, which we have resettled them in not in the ordinary shelter place, but in the mall only, we have sheltered them free of cost. I'm not saying that sitting down as looking that meant they are wrong, but at least they have to give a decent livelihood to all the street vendors or those who are selling their livelihood in anywhere in within Shillong municipal area.